When you type notebooklm.google.com on your browser, this is the window that opens. Now, why is NotebookLM my most favorite GenAI application? Because it does great with learning. It improves collaboration within teams, and it can also support idea generation. Now you might wonder what makes this different from, let's say, Gemini or ChatGPT. In my opinion, the custom built nature of this tool for note taking and collaboration makes it a unique tool and really useful if you're working in a team environment, or as a student you're collaborating with someone else, or you're someone who is just trying to learn something academic in nature and hard to understand. I'll use a demo to show that. Now, once you're in the screen, you click on notebook. There are some example notebooks here, but let's go ahead and create a new notebook. Once we get here, the first thing it asks is to upload some document. So basically, this could be the notebook where you're capturing your notes. It could be a text file or web page URL, whatever. But it could also be a PDF document, maybe a research document. In this case, we will take a research document as an example. So let's go on and click PDF. And we'll upload this file. Okay, you can see the file is getting uploaded. As soon as the file is uploaded, NotebookLM gives you an option to do to understand a little. It gives a summary of what's in the file. So the file that I uploaded is about flash attention, to an improvement on the flash attention algorithm. Just so you know, this is the first time I'm literally opening this document or using this document. I haven't actually even opened this academic paper, peer-reviewed paper. So it's interesting. I'm just learning what's in this document along with you. Let's see, what is this? Increases the speed and efficiency of the attention layer in transformer models, particularly for long sequences. Okay, that's cool. These improvements result in 2x speed up over flash attention, enabling training of models with significantly longer context for the same computational cost. This is great. Okay, all right. And the tool also gives you some suggested questions. Obviously, the tool has read the document at this point and indexed it. It can give you FAQs, study guide, table of content, timeline, briefing doc. All right, let's go ahead with, let's just see what it does with respect to briefing doc. So what you can also see is that as soon as I typed or selected one of those options, it's creating a note here that you can go back and refer to at a later point, right? It is, okay, here is the briefing doc that it came up with. Awesome. So core problem: scaling transformer models to handle longer sequence lengths is crucial for improving performance in various domains like language modeling, high-resolution image understanding, and code generation. However, the attention layer, a core component of transformers, suffers from quadratic runtime and memory complexity with respect to sequence and length. All right, so there's existing solution. What is the key improvement? Reducing non-matmul flops, enhanced parallelism, optimized work partitioning. Great. Okay. Paper presents compelling empirical evidence to demonstrate effectiveness compared to flash attention. Okay, this is the evidence that flash attention 2 is better. Maybe for us to understand how flash attention 2 works, I guess we need to read this, but I'll not waste your time here. I'm literally just here to demo you NotebookLM So I'll move on to that. Okay, now you can see that there is notes that got saved here. What options do I have? Okay, and you can, as soon as you select a note, you can critique on it, you can create an outline based on that, and you can also say help me understand. Okay, so basically what the option this gives is, you can either ask an open question to the document, or you can just include the note that you literally just created to answer your question, right? Now you can also add a manual note. Okay, just for example, we'll say flash attention 2 is written and is great for, I'm gonna give something outrageous so we can actually see if this note gets referred by the tool or not. Movie editing and photo processing, let's just say that. Okay, now it's closed. Let's ask here, what is flash attention 2 great for? Oh wait, I think I did not select the note while asking the question. What is flash attention 2 great for? Yep, that's right. So the note that I added is coming up here. So just imagine, right, you have a research paper and then you keep adding your own perspective, and you can use the model to kind of work together on this. Now this is where the collaboration, you can imagine how the collaboration could actually enhance this. You can share this notebook with your colleagues, and they could add their own notes. They could do exactly the same things that you did just now, and you can collaborate together and start generating, keep developing your ideas, right? Let's just try some basic prompts to see how this could be used for learning. Let's say I don't have a lot of background on this concept, so summarize the 3 main arguments to a 5th grader. And it also keeps the history of your prompts and responses. There you go. Flash attention 2 helps computers understand really long things. Okay, it's like a super fast shortcut of math problems. It helps computers work together better. Great. What if I say that use a classroom example? All right, let's use a classroom example. Imagine you're a student trying to understand a long history chapter. This chapter is full of names, dates, etc. Flash attention 2 acts like a helpful study guide. This study guide breaks down the chapter into smaller sections, highlights the most important facts in each section, and helps you see the connections between different parts of the chapter more easily. Okay, it's like a study guide that breaks it into chapters. The study guide allows you to learn and understand the material faster and more efficiently. Similarly, flash attention 2 enables computers to process long sequences of data in a more efficient way. Okay, reduced non-manual flops. These are like complicated calculations that take a long time for computers to solve. Flash attention 2 simplifies these calculations, allowing computers to work faster. Okay. Oh, here, look at this. This actually gives reference to where this data was pulled from. If I click on this, it actually opens the place where it's grounded. The responses are grounded. That's what I'm trying to say. Improved parallelism. Okay, instead of processing information step by step, Flash attention 2 allows computers to process multiple parts of the sequence simultaneously, like having multiple students working together to understand the history chapter. That's great. Okay, Flash attention 2 divides the workload efficiently among the different parts of a computer's processing unit, ensuring they can communicate and work together just like a well-organized study group. Awesome. So basically it splits the calculations, and then it allows for parallelism and better computation, right? That's what it is. Great. Let's ask more question, or we can use any of these as well. What are the memory requirements for Flash attention 2? Okay. Oh, okay. Here is the information from the provided sources regarding the amount of memory that scales linearly with the sequence length n. It doesn't exactly give a number, but I guess that's what is there in the document, right? Oh wow. Okay. Nice. Now you can also notice that if I actually like one of the responses, I can pin that message back as a note. Okay, that's pretty cool. Let's ask a little bit more challenging question. Are there any sections that contradict or disagree with each other? System was unable to answer. Is it because that information is not there, or it's just a challenging question? Interesting. Let's just try this again. I wonder if it was some kind of compute issue. Okay, so it was failed to answer. Let's help AI improve. Yeah, so focuses on this and do not present any arguments, perspectives that contradict each other. Okay, this is a much better response, right? And it grounds the response. It is important to note that the absence of explicit contradictions within the source data does not guarantee complete agreement. Great. That's fantastic. I think this is much better response. Now, talking about collaboration here, right? You can share this notebook with your colleagues to work together on this. And you can also add more documents. It's not limited to one document. This is great, right? I just want to share maybe like one of my personal experiences of using NotebookLM and why I actually found that NotebookLM was so great. Is a customer of mine asked me to talk about a couple of models and wanted for their risk review purposes. And I could not, I looked up online and I found a couple of research papers, and I had to respond immediately to the customer, and I didn't have the time to go through word by word to understand what goes in the document. And I literally uploaded it to NotebookLM. I asked away all the questions, the risk questions that the customer had, and I got all the answers and I replied it back to the customer. So it was that easy. And also on top of that, since then I have been using this tool for collaborating with my team. I capture all the notes in one place, like weekly team meetings, and put them here and share it with my team, with the rest of the team, and all of us collaborate on the document. And let's see. Let's ask one more question and then we'll end this video. Generate some new ideas based. Let's see how it works on idea generation, right? Ideas based on this, or research based on this such document. All right. Investigate the applicability of flash attention to other hardware platforms. That's great. It gave some ideas. It actually gave 5 ideas. Okay. That's great. I should probably pin it up there. I hope you also like this tool. Only thing that you cannot tell right now is Notebook. We don't know what model it runs on. Probably Gemini, but I don't know which version of Gemini powers NotebookLM right now. But it serves the purpose. It does what it what a proper note taking and collaborating and idea generating tool is supposed to do. I hope you like the tool and you like this video as well. Thank you. See you on the next video.